We have already discussed thermal power plant, hydel, nuclear, diesel electric power plant. Today I will discuss about gas turbine power plant. Gas turbine plant. Gas turbine means power plant means where the power generated in the station. And gas turbine means the gas compressor are used for the rotating the turbine. So it is called gas turbine. A total gas turbine power plant in all power generation station except solar power generation station employ alternator to generate electrical energy. An alternator is a rotating machine which can produce electricity only when it rotates. When it rotates, it can only produce electricity. That's working principle of alternator. Hence there must be a prime mover which helps to turns the alternator. Okay, the primary arrangement of all power plants is to rotate the prime mover so that alternators can generate required electricity. So every alternator were used for generating the uh, power electricity in gas turbine power plant we use high pressure and temperature air instead of high pressure and temperature steam to rotate the turbine. The fundamental the fundamental working principle of gas turbine power plant is same as that of steam turbine power plant. Steam turbine power plant and steam turbine power plant and gas turbine power plant working principle is like a same. But the only difference is there that in steam turbine power we used compressed steam. For the steam power plant we use compressed steam to rotate the turbine. But in power plant gas turbine power plant we use to compressed air to turn the turbine. We use to compressed air to turn turbine. Okay, for turbine rotation engine we use the compressor air. Okay, now we shall discuss the selection site. Now we shall selection site for gas turbine power station. Site selection is an important part for pre-installation of every power plant, as like as gas turbine power plant also. So the installation of plant we have chosen a particular site. Some factors should be considered for selection the site. The following factor the following factors should be considered which selection a site for gas turbine power plant. Mainly six factors are considered for selection the site. On point, these 6 points are stepwise discussing in these notes. First point is distance from load center. The first point is distance from load center. Distance from load center. That's mean where the power generation where the power generated in power station or power plant that's transferred to load center. The site should be at that's mean load center are where the where the power are transformed. That's called load center. Distance means load center to power generation. That's called distance. Distance from load center. That's mean where power generate or power plant to where transform the power. That's called distance from load center. The site should be as near to the load center. That site means where the power plant select for the installation. That's called site. The site should be as near to the load center where power is transformed. That's called load center. The site should be as near the load center as possible so that the transmission cost and losses are minimized. When the when the load center are near to generation station, the always the transmission cost is less and maintenance cost also less, and losses are also minimized. So all of our capital cost also decreases. Second point is availability of land. Land availability. Availability means available of land. Land availability. The land should be available. When the land available, the land rate is minimized and cheap rate. We are buying to cheap rate. So the land should be available at cheap rate in order to keep the capital cost of the plant low. The plan every plant installation, every law, the law is the capital cost is to keep in the capital cost is always decreases. So the when the available of land, the land should available the cheap rate in order to keep the capital cost of the power plant. Third number point is ability of fuel availability. The fuel should be easily available and at reasonable rate. When fuel when fuel should easily available, then we easily operate the power plant. So the always capital cost is always capital cost is decreases, and the when the fuel is available, the fuel rate is always reasonable rate. So the ability of fuel is a part of the selection site for power plant for gas turbine power plant generation. Fourth point is availability of transportation facility. One of the important point is transportation facilities, availability of transportation facility. Transportation means transport on any materials on place to another place. Transportation facilities means every power plant has used have various equipments or instruments. So the maintenance and servicing and availability are required for maintenance are required every varieties element. So they are transportation are mandatory. So the transportation facility should be available. The transportation facility and the transportation distance are minimized, the capital cost also minimized. So the ability of transportation facility is the part of selection side. Five number point Fifth point, distance from populated area. Populated area means where the gathered area or thickly populated, where much more people uh, are established. Distance for populated distance from populated area. Every power plant, a important part for installation, we have to view always installation for power plant population area from distance. The site should be always from thickly populated or because of noisily operate. When gas turbine power plant operate the operating, then when that time the noise are emitted in our nature. So the very noisily are irrigated. So that distance are maintained from the populated area. Why? Because are very noising or polluted area, they are affected in our human as also our animals, as also our forest area. So always distance maintain for our um, populated area. Six number point is types of land. Type of land. The land should be of high bearing capacity to withstand the load. That's mean the land should be high bearing capacity. That's mean the the land all the land have must the capability of weight and as also of the plant, and also the vibration transmitted to the foundation for compression and turbine. When the operating of the when operate in gas turbine, the turbine are vibrated, also compressor vibrated. That vibrates are always we also behave that compression the vibration are not transmitted to our plant. So the length should be high bearing capacity to withstand the load of the plant, and also the vibration transmitted to the fundamental for compressor and turbine. That's end. Thank you.